Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could get a free month. That's right, a month of Discord Nitro through Epic Games. Now, last year, Epic Games did a collaboration with Discord as well, which gave you a month of Discord Nitro. And they recently just started a new promotion as of May 15th, but there hasn't been too many videos on it. So I wanted to make a video on this as I did last time. And this is going for an entire month. This is literally a free month of Discord Nitro. No strings attached. Nothing like that. It's literally a free month of Discord Nitro. Now, before this video starts, I want to quickly mention that I am less than 60 subscribers away from 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's a big milestone, and with that milestone comes another Nitro giveaway. So, on top of watching this video, if you subscribe and join my Discord server that is in the link in the description below and go to the giveaways channel, I will be hosting a giveaway there once I hit 2,000 subscribers for 3 months. That's right, 3 months of Discord Nitro that will split upon 3 different winners. So anyways, please subscribe and join the Discord, and right back to the tutorial. Okay, that is right, guys. Epic Games X Discord 2025. They did one last year. Yeah, if I go to my YouTube channel, I see I made the video 5 months ago, so I would say it'd be, so I guess that'd be September or so. Nonetheless, though, they did this promotion before, and they're bringing it back this year. For an entire month, you get an entire month to claim it, which is a very long time. And we're just going to quickly go over a few of these details here before I actually show you how to get it. Okay, so firstly, we could see here offer details: 1 month of Discord Nitro. Who is eligible? Users who have had an active Nitro subscription or Nitro trial in the last 12 months are not eligible. So if you have had any sort of trial or subscription in the last year, you will not be able to get this. Now, of course, you could always try it still. It might work for you. Who knows? Maybe it'll just bug out and you'll still get it. But nonetheless, though, if you do have an active subscription or something in the last 12 months, you probably won't be able to get it. As well as here's a few countries that it is not available in. Pretty specific countries, so chances of you living in one of these are pretty slim, especially North Korea. But either way, though, that's not where these countries are not where they are eligible in. And repeats it and repeats it. Users who have already claimed a gift from this promotion are not eligible to claim further gifts from this promotion. So that's obvious. If you claim it, you can't just make a new account and claim it again. But that makes sense. And of course, this goes until June 12th, 2025. And right here it says subscription. After the 1 month trial period, your Nitro subscription will convert into a monthly recurring subscription. So essentially that means that you just have to cancel it so it doesn't actually happen again, which I will show you how to do at the end of this video. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Epic Games store. So you're going to go to store.epicgames.com. This is the official store website for Epic Games, or just go to epicgames.com and then go to the store from there. Either way, you want to get to this website. And then from there, you're just going to sign into your account. So most of you probably have an Epic Games account. Not all of you do. Or if I had to guess, not all of you do. But it's very simple. Just make one with your email. Takes 2 seconds and sign in. So I'm going to sign into my account quickly here. Okay, and there we go. So now I'm signed into my Epic Games account here. So now all you're going to do once you're signed in is you're going to go to the search bar, and you're literally just going to search up Nitro. Simple as that. Discord Nitro will pop up here. It will be an add-on, so you're going to click on this, okay? And you will be brought to here. And now I want to add a very important thing here. If the get button on this Discord Nitro is grayed out, you cannot click on it in any way, shape, or form. You're going to have to do a little trick, because it's grayed out, basically the Epic Games Store thinks that you don't have Discord installed, so it thinks that you're not eligible to actually claim the Nitro. So if you have that issue, you're going to search in the store, you're going to search up Discord, you're going to just click on the Discord app, and all you're going to do is click the Add to Library button. There's going to be an Add to Library. It's already in my library, but you're going to click the Add to Library button, okay? And once you do that, it's going to add it to your Epic Games library. You don't have to install anything. You're just adding it into your account. That's all it's doing, so it recognizes that you probably use Discord. Okay, so as long as that is in your library, then the get button will appear. Like, you could actually click on it. So we're going to click on the get button now, and it will bring up this page. Okay, it'll show you a payment. Basically, you're paying $0 because it's completely free. You'll agree to their terms of service and you'll click on place order. It'll process, the window will close, and there we go. Okay, and now that it's in our library, you're going to go to your email. So I'm going to go and open my email that's connected to this Epic Games account. And once you open this email that you'll get from Epic Games, by the way, check your spam box if you don't actually see it in your inbox. You'll see the thing here, and there'll be a Redeem Now button. Simple as that. It's free Nitro, so now we're going to click on this Redeem Now button. It'll open to a new tab, and it'll go into billing. Okay, I guess I have to sign in, so let's sign in quickly here. And now that I'm signed in, it says that I already have Nitro, so promotions are for new subscribers only. So I can't get this, of course, but I'm just showing you that this is what would happen. And all it would do basically is just go through here. You'll put in your billing information, you'll sign up, and you'll get it applied to your account. Now, by the way, you could take this link up here if you want to take my Nitro that I just won. So be my guest. Whoever takes it first gets this Nitro code up here. But other than that, though, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription once you redeem it. Okay, so all we're going to do is go to the bottom left and click on User Settings. And then essentially you'll go to your subscriptions tab on the left, and in the very top it'll show your Nitro thing that depends what you have, but it'll just basically say 1 month or whatever, and you'll just simply click on the cancel option. And that's it. Once it's canceled, it will not charge you any extra. It'll simply just like at the end of the month, it'll just go away. You won't get charged for anything, and it was completely free. You won't get charged anything initially, so that's all that really matters. So that's all you have to do to cancel your subscription. But anyway, though, guys, that is basically how you get this offer. It's very similar, if not the exact same as last time where they did the promotion. So hopefully you guys got your Nitro. Once again, please don't spam my comments with asking why you don't get it, because once again, I went over the eligibility right here. So if you do have Nitro in the last year, just know you will not be able to get it. So just make sure you know that before you post a comment asking why you didn't get it. So other than that, though, please subscribe. Once again, I'll say it again, please subscribe. We are very close. It's not even funny how close we are. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers, and we'll be hosting another Discord Nitro giveaway. So make sure to join that for more Nitro if you need more. And please check out my other Discord tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.